Hey, hello, today's video is a very exciting and fun video. Stay while and enjoy a video of review of creative design with Elementor easily. Believe me, you won't disappoint by watching this video. We are driving into something really excited for WordPress user, the Element Pack Pro plugin for Elementor. If you're all ready to supercharge your website building experience, stick around because this plugin will just be the game changer you are looking for. And I will show you those fun thing a little while, so please wait. So what is Elementor Pack or Element Pack Pro? So simply put, it actually an add-on plugin for Elementor. We know Elementor is a popular drag and drop website builder, and Elementor is already powerful tool, but sometimes it lacks specific widgets or functionality might need, right? So that's where Elementor Pack Pro step in. Actually it actually packed 290 features. That's if I go to the explore all widgets, there are 291 widgets you can grab, and all features you can take your website customization to next level without writing single line of code. So if you're interested to check out the link description below, I might be an affiliate link, but it costs you nothing but it support this channel. It's win-win situation, right? So you can use my affiliate link if you need Elementor Pack. You can just copy this code from my description and you can purchase Elementor Pro, Element Pack Pro. Actually Element Pack Pro is official license is actually it's $49, but right now it's $26.95 for one website, and others in other features you will get. So now I will show you how to upload this Element Pack free one and pro one. So if you want to get free, you will get some of features, that is free on 73 features you will get, and if you buy pro you will get 218 features. Let's continue later. I will show you the fun thing. Don't worry, please wait little bit. I will upload the plugin and how to use it, then I will show you the fun thing. Today's video is the fun thing. Okay, so first, if you need Element Pack, so it's not Elementor, it's Element Pack Pro. So it is the free version, Element Pack. So if you want to get this plugin, you can click simply from this official website and go to this button that's download free, and you will see these are the link of the directory of WordPress plugin, and here the name of the plugin you can download from. Also here also you can copy this plugin name and go to your plugin section. You can paste it over here and you will get this plugin, and this plugin, this plugin Element Pack, this is a BD theme, it's a Bangladeshi theme builder make this plugin. Okay, so how to install? Simply just click install and click active. And how to upload the pro version? Just simply click upload plugin. Just first of all you have to log in your WordPress dashboard and go to plugin section and click the add new plugin and click upload plugin. And once you click upload plugin, you will get a upload section, that is upload plugin. I have upload, click over here, this choose file. These are the Element Pack Pro free premium one. If I install this one, I have already installed this. These are the Element Pack Pro. These are the Element Pack. All right. Okay. So now I have already explored it. And feature overview, the most important part in this video. So let's get started. So hi, it's me Faisal Jaman, and I'm a web developer of WordPress, and I have made a tons of tricks WordPress video. Hope you video might be very helpful for you. One of them is a hosting. These are the hosting. You will if you need any hosting from Hostinger, you can get from my video description box link. You will grab the more $7.88 save. You can save from for buy business plan. Other plan also you can save more money. So if you use my affiliate link, you will get $7.88 get save. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have more question, comment below, and comment is most important because YouTube algorithm will understand this video is very helpful or not. Please comment below. So without now let's get started with that one. So this, if I go to their official website, Element Pack Pro, and Element Pack Pro here, if I click all, and here you can see tons of widget over here. If you are install Element Pack Pro, you will get all of things. So one by one I will this is one of the most I like this plugin, that is advanced heading. These are the advanced heading, also this animated advanced heading, and as you can see, these are the most unique and nice design heading. I like all maximum time I'm using this heading. Also maximum time I use this one for left right side div section, and also all design are very unique, very unique. So imagine how much travel you would have had if you had built this thing with by scratching by Elementor. It is won't be smooth, right? But it is one pro features. Okay, with one plugin you can do this work of 4 or 5 plugin for free. I actually if I go to this one here, here actually see 291 widget you will get. So this is one plugin solution, like all you can do the work 4 or 5 plugin actually free. I am not saying that should buy this plugin, but actually if you need all things in the free version, and okay, then you don't need to take another premium on if you get free version. So if in free 73 widget, you will get more lots of widgets over here. Okay, so one of them here I liked this one heading and this heading, and if I go to hover on box, I like that one. It's hover is hover box and hover video. I like this two widget also. The C, look at that, take a look, all those hover background image. If I hover over here, it design actually amazing. Take a look. And also hover video, they are all our section you can use by one plugin. And if I just go to this hover video, it's amazing. I like this one. I like this kind of hover effect video. If I click the 3-column structure, if I hover over this middle structure, it will change the video. And also third one, if I hover over this one, it will also change the video. It's all amazing. If I click this button, hover over this button, it will change the video. Also this one, it's an amazing widget. Also this one, it will get but just one single actually widget. So here there are more clean and modern design. Actually you actually in your mind you have no idea how creative this design. Okay, so these are the hover over video. And if I go to another one, sticky section, sticky section, also amazing. I like, sometimes I use this one, sticky section. These are the sticky section. Okay, if I scroll this sticky section here, the stick this section, also stick this section. Amazing, right? Amazing. Okay, so another one, if I open scroll nav is more amazing. So these are the scroll nav. Sometimes you will get this kind of website for buying from Envato or theme forest, but if you use this plugin, you will get this widget. Okay, so another one, if I go to parallax, parallax image or parallax effect. I don't like this one, but parallax effect is I maximum time I use this one. These are the parallax effect. Okay, it's a modern and modern design. Actually, it's actually modern design. Parallax effect I maximum time use, and also post slider. This one I maximum time use, but later I will show you most fun part will coming. These are the post. This is the next one, previous one. Amazing, how cool this, right? Also this one also cool, very cool, and very outstanding design. And if I go to another one, search over here, this one will be portfolio gallery and portfolio carousel. Okay, these are the most unique design. Amazing how much creativity and experience was required to create this such a design, right? Let's have a look. This one, also this one, if I click this one, the image will be showing us over here. Also this one, also like if I click this magnifier icon, and it will show you that portfolio. And it's actually, if you made a portfolio website, if you use this widget, your portfolio don't need extra plugin or extra theme required to design this kind of unique and creative design. Okay, so looking for a fun widget to showcase this kind of portfolio, so really impress it, you will really impress it. These are the you will really impress this if I am showing this plugin. I think you will impressed. So before you see on there will be a request to you to subscribe and leave a comment. Also leave a little comment if you like it. So I hope you like this part. And if I go to another one, I have already made a website using this plugin. And amazing part is, if I click this magnifier or search icon, I'm using search icon from this plugin, and if I click on you can get a sound. And if you click this cross button, you will get the amazing cross button. Actually, is a cross button, is a search button. And also if you click this category option, you will get you will notice a little sound. Okay, you can made it a sound. And if you click the logo option, you can set up another sound, each and every one. Okay, so it's a menu sound and unique widget. Actually have that is unique widget, that is cryptocurrency CRY. If you want to create cryptocurrency type website, cryptocurrency list, cryptocurrency carousel, cryptocurrency sticker, all are crypto widget over here. As you can see, all our crypto widget is over here. These are the crypto widget. So you will love the stylish and fully customizable pricing, customizable this kind of crypto currency widget over here. As you can see, how creative, and all those stuffs. And if we search another one, that will be post block. If you use post block, and make some time I'm use this one, post block. This is the post block, and these are also amazing. So I'm when I before one year ago, when I don't know, I have no idea this about this plugin, and at the same time I need this kind of design. That's why I need to download to purchase actually the theme of from Theme Forest. Get this kind of design. Actually sometimes it's required for my client. That's why I'm pick that theme. So right now I get a full packaged or full customizable plugin just using this one plugin. I'm just showing you the review of the plugin. I super satisfied using this plugin. That's why I show you. And also if you buy this widget, so you just use my affiliate link, you will get actually just support me and love me, and I will just show you more and more this kind of video That's why you will get use my affiliate link. Okay, so more stuff you will get. So if I go to this search icon, and if I go to if I search the circle menu, so circle menu, after seeing such a design, you can soften your heart and make a nice comment, please. So I will search circle menu. These are the circle menu. Amazing, this design. If I click this one here, I hover over this icon, you will get more menu of showing is over here. Sometimes it's need for creative design, right? If I hover over here, it's actually showing the it actually showing top, it right side position, bottom side, left side position, and these are the click button. If I click this one, it will open the all menus over here. You can click this one, it will get I will go to the another section, and I will just show you another one, that is testimonial. I will definitely show you testimonial carousel. So these are the last it's not a last, because if you go to this all item, and you will just wonder, that's all our amazing tool. Okay, these are the circle and these are the testimonial. Amazing testimonial. These are the amazing testimonial. I maximum time I use for my client this design. Okay, and also these are the very creative and cool design, and also this one, and all actually are premium design and very looks very trendy. So sometimes I need a custom code of this kind of design, but if you use this plugin, you don't need to do anything over here. Okay, so there are lots of stuff or widget. There are many more widget like this. If you request, I will bring bring a video about this kind of review video part 2. So if you need, so just comment below. And so those are the all stuffs using please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And so Elementor Pack Pro is obviously it's a fantastic tool for anyone who wants to build a unique and functional and visibility standing website without spending hours of code or drag and drop your widget. And whether you are beginner or experienced designer, this plugin save your time and effort. So if you need to build a WordPress website, please contact with me also. So thank you so much for watching this video. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment below if you have any question or don't actually want to see more plugins video. And always remember to do what you love, contribute to other, and live life abundantly. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much again.